Woodworking business opportunities. Opportunities are always there, even when we can't see them. As long as there are homes and businesses around, the opportunity to use your skills and supply the kind of woodworking customers want and need, is ever present. One thing you can begin to do to attract more business is to tell more people about what it is you do. Business cards can be useful, but only when they get in the hands of potential customers. And every business card can be made more effective when it features a strong reason for interested potential customers to contact you. Your card could feature a stunning image of your work, triggering an interest in others to want the same, or something similar. You could feature a special offer right on your business card. For example, offering a small gift with every price quote. You could also provide a legitimate discount to specialty groups like veterans, seniors, area residents, or first-time customers. The greatest business opportunities in any business often come from the network of people that you're able to assemble over time. To build your own network, start with anyone you know who might be inclined to buy something from you, now, or at some point in the future. Get to know people in related fields. These folks know lots of other people from their jobs. And some of those people would love to know about your woodworking business and how it might help them in their homes, offices, or stores. Real estate professionals, painters, plumbers, home builders, renovators, landscapers, general contractors, the list goes on and on. They are already providing a different service to their customers, and often get asked if they know someone who builds cabinets, bars, vanities, etc. Oh, and be sure to tell your doctor, dentist, chiropractor, or any other healthcare professional too. Lawyers and accountants can be helpful contacts as well. Let everyone know what it is you do, and that you're looking for more business. Think about lumber, hardware, and tool suppliers, and the people who work there. Everybody knows somebody who needs the kind of services and products you can supply. But they don't necessarily know where to turn. You're helping to solve that problem by making your business services known. It doesn't matter if your competitors use the same suppliers. They will be more likely to refer you if you take the initiative and build the relationship first. There are plenty of opportunities to sell your woodworking locally, even globally, when it's feasible. Locally, there are swap meets, flea markets, craft shows, art sales, county fairs, and other special events. Search online for upcoming events in your area. Check Craigslist and any other classified ad type sites where you can list items for sale. Just be sure to use the best photographs you can capture, and plenty of them. Facebook can be an excellent resource too. Look on Facebook for online yard sales in your area. Make it easy for anyone interested in buying to contact you. If you're opening a custom shop, build a list of commercial contacts. Reach out by direct mail to designers, architects, custom home builders, renovators, and general contractors. This can really pay off if you follow through and deliver an interesting message. Building a website is easy and inexpensive. You can advertise what you build in all your online posts, with a sign on your vehicle, on your business cards, and any other paperwork provided. Online, you can post lots of photos and descriptions of your work, videos too. It need not cost any money either. But this method can easily increase the amount of money the average customer spends with you. With your website in place, you have somewhere to send people for more information about what you offer. You can share all the photos you want on Pinterest and Instagram, and attract a large audience this way. That's a clever use of social media to increase the opportunities to make money in your business. Business opportunities are all over the place. You just need to let more of the right kind of people see what you can do. Do this, and you can attract all the business your wood shop can handle. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Ready to get your wood shop off to an incredible start? Be sure to click the link below in the description today.